Modo UI UX form improvements. Texture and image map. For texture and image maps, a new quick access horizontal bar was added to their forms. The toolbar consists buttons for the common options of the texture locator without the need to switch to different tab or hunt them down. Texture Locator's Transforms pop-up allows you to quick view, edit and reset transforms. Texture Locator scripts and image map scripts pop-ups are a place for shading layer or your own scripts. Tiling pop-up allow to quick change of UV wraps, repeat modes and rotation. Last two buttons allow for quickly add texture replicator with particle items and texture offset with less clicks than ever. Both of those workflows are in detail explained in workflow improvement videos. On top of that, other properties were also grouped with better logic, and when applicable, icons were used instead of labeled buttons. That way it's easier to get to or hide commonly used or not used settings.